My people, hey, the national identification number registration, they don't cause another kasala for here. Oh, no be small wahala. Everybody just they panic. Everybody just they complain. My people, hey, now the matter. I dey sure say una hear about the 2 weeks registration where they say anybody will no register. Say make them block their SIM. Yes, now the update I don't bring una now. Hey, no be the same government wey tell us say second wave of COVID dey around. Say COVID-19 is in brother, e don come back. Now na the same people wey dey talk say make people go register under 2 weeks, and una know I don already tell una before. For una wey no know, Nigeria population na 200 million. Yes, and now these people want make people go dey register under 2 weeks. So you can imagine the pressure. You understand? Relax. And now, my people, if you see crowd, if una see crowd, see, sardine sef, sardine still get space inside container. If una see, this one no be say na 20 people, na 30 people, na lie. See am. No be small matter. See people wey tell us say social distance, so say make you no do this one, this one. See them. They don't dey pressure people now. Say they must register, they must register. Na im be that. If I dey tell una say politicians, Nigerian politicians, they no love una. I don't know whether una know they believe. Imagine person wey love you. If he put you in danger like this, e dey put people in danger. Because like this, you know how many people they contaminate each other. You don't even know who get the virus. Where all of them just they jam together for one place. Hey, wahala. Una close cinemas, una close churches, una close club, una close gbogbo atibo, una close down important places. Only the name of social distance, coronavirus. But now una be the same people where they come out now tell us say this one because of 2020 naira. So now wetin una dey try tell us be say 20 naira now they more important than one human being life. And they don't care. All the one we consign them be say their pocket must smile. Politicians, you people are not responsible. Ra. And una sef they ask una to go. Anyhow, I know say una no get choice. But see, you know, Sanwo-Olu, Baba, your own are only English to dey speak grammar and they wear 1,500 agbada. Now the only thing wey sabi, as this thing they happen for Ikeja, Lagos now, you no talk. No, now, is it your business before? You no talk because you dey concerned about una pockets. Now, wow, my people, these Nigerian people they no go send us to our early grave in Jesus' name. See them. No. Since 2016, see many people even don't do. Many people they tell me say, Madam Aproko, we don't do our this thing. No, they never call us because they say they don't register. Since 2016, when they suppose call them, say, okay, we can't take your ID. They say till today. But they put people at risk. Okay, those ones we don't register. Why una no give them? For una to see say these people no even they serious. Now that 20 naira when they go pay now that one consign them. And they repeat them. So if una know wetin good for una see say people even do them how many years ago, they never give them ID. Now una the one can't give ID. Una they waste una time. If I be you, I go my house, go chop better food, drink better drink, they watch movie. Now what you not supposed to do? I will not be this one na the waste on time they go. Now when una contact COVID, una go know. And these people go there their house. So yes, now sorry they go tell una that one if they even remember una. My people, now the matter be this way they happen for Lagos, Nigeria, no be small one. Hey, so I want to know, una register too? I beg comment for that place, so and if you register, how the thing go, how the waka, I want to know. You understand? Drop her for the comment section, and still don't forget subscribe. That red thing there, click on, and the bell, click on too, so that you go there updated anytime when we post any hot video. Yes, don't go far. I will see you now later. My people, if Nelson don't come outside, they give us hot. The reason why they like that girl, you understand now? Because see, anything politicians, she know they give them chance. You understand? And that's so it's supposed to be. As citizen of a country, you get right to talk your mind. Hey, now why they like her? She know they waste time. And now she don't come outside though. They talk to the youths. Hey, so if you be youth, will they watch me for Ghana? Yes, I don't bring you message from Yvonne Nelson. And according to Ram, she say, hey, make una stop the fight for people who don't care about una. Say, hey, according to Ram, he say, una development money dey for their pocket, yo. Because after this election we just passed, we dey hear say some people, youths especially, say they argue. This one they bring your right, this one they bring your right, this one they bring why this one not supposed to win. Many confusion everywhere. And so she come outside, come send this message. And I don't bring am now, my people. And if you ask me, I agree. The president, Abi Mahama himself, where una dey fight for, they don't know una name. They don't know where una from. Highest. That one self, it go take the grace of God. Highest, now sorry, you go just hear. And why they talk say you go take the grace of God now because if they even remember, say, person like you exist. Wow. Now so my people one day I dey waka for road. Now so I see one woman for her shop. She dey fry buffalo. Now so the woman just dey shout, oh, say free buffalo for everybody, oh. Say President Nana Akufo-Addo win. Free buffalo for everybody. That now be say that day she no make sales. Person wey no know you. You don't spend all your money dash. Okay, wetin you come gain? Una suppose dey think some kind things sometimes. You dash all your business. In case una no know, as I dey talk, hold your ear like this. Una dey owe. So all this one una dey do. In case una no know, 7,800 Ghana cedis each citizen dey owe for this country. Una never even pay una debt. Una dey fight for person wey still dey chop una money on top. I pity una. I just the pity. See, the pity self no even get. I the pity una. Person wey dey fight, una dey fight for. Now even bring this debt on top una head, but una still dey fight. No be foolishness be that. Get sense now. For this una age. I'm not even expecting I'm supposed to tell una this kind of thing. But anyway, no be me, sha. Now Vanessa send me, she say, Madam Aproko, let me pass this message, and I don't deliver the message. If you like, hear. If you like, no hear. You go just die by yourself for nothing, and I will still bring your matter for this place.